Some English sounds. Okay, but some English sounds expensive. Let me show you how to upgrade simple words into high-class English. Buy, purchase. I plan to purchase it tomorrow. Start, initiate. Let's initiate the project. End, conclude. We'll conclude the meeting soon. Fix, resolve. I'll resolve the issue. Talk about, discuss. We need to discuss this. Think about, consider. I'll consider your idea. Need, require. We require more time. Save and subscribe this if you want your English to sound high class.